Make it stop. Every minute it chirps like a bird.
Relax a sec. Have you checked the manual?
It's 3 a.m. I just want it to stop so I can go back to bed.
The broom won't help. Get the manual and X-just it.
Asking chirps about once per minute.
Low battery. 2 fresh AA's, cited to the page.
Batteries? That I can fix.
And the test button silences it for 8 hours. Go back to bed.
Next time, I won't panic.
X-just. Ask your manuals. On the App Store now.
So when something chirps at 3 a.m., X-just it.
X-just it.